Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Black Ash 007. Today I'm going to show you my Sea of skins. So let this come. Okay, so here we are. This is my loadout. So I'm going to show you the P250 skin. The P250 default skin is very boring, and this is the spruce skin. Spruce is very bright and green, and this is honey. I got this from the first season pass. Yeah, this is olive. I bought this skin with the blue credits. Then this is black star. Black star I got from the last season. Then this is Lotus. Lotus is a very common skin of the P250. I bought it with the blue credits. This is the Sun Glow. It's very common and it can be seen in game with many people also. Okay, so then that's that. And then the next one, Blood Money. Blood Money I got from premium chest. I was very lucky to get Blood Money. This is Stinger. I got this from the last season. The last time I played a season was Summer 89. That was the second or third season. Then this is the Phoenix. I always wanted to buy this skin, but I don't have enough blue credits. This is XD45, and this is the black skin. The black skin looks very tactical. Then the sky is very boring. Yeah, it's very boring. Then this is opposing forces. The blue color shows that there is the coalition, and the orange color shows the breach. This is inverse skin. It is currently equipped. This is the arrowhead skin. I don't know why it's called as arrowhead, but it looks cool. Then this is hot pink. Yeah, it's very hot and it's very pink. This is my mother's favorite skin of the XD45. Then moving on to the next one, stained glass. Stained glass can be found on windows of churches and everything. If you have ever been to a church, please let me know in the comment. Then this is GSR 1911 again, and then those were the default. Then olive and carmine skins. This is duotone. This can be bought with blue credits, and this is Bangtail. Bangtail I got from the spin. Yeah, I got from the season spin. Then the Conifer. This is very bright and green again. This is King Regards, and this is seismic, whatever you call it. I used to use this, but now I don't. Then moving on to the next one, Arctic. Arctic is a camouflage, which is basically snow camo. And this is Catacomb. Then we come to Predator. This is a very special skin because I have it in the AK-47 too. And where's the next one? Yeah. This is Nevermore. Nevermore, I got it from the last time I played was Summer 89 season, so that's when I got it. This is the spooky skin. And moving on to the next revolver, MR96. This is the default skin. It looks very boring again because it is boring. Then this is the black. Black looks very tactical. So yeah, that's that. And then those skins are spruce and honey. They're absolutely trash, including Objective Omega. It's actually very trash. Then Plastic Warfare. It looks like an airsoft gun. I've never seen an airsoft gun in real life, but I'm keen to see. If you have seen one, please comment down below in the comment section. Then that skin was Maple, and this one is Woodland. This was one of my first 5 skins. So that's that. So that was that. And then this is the Arctic. Arctic is just like the snow camo from GSR. Then this is Floral. And yeah, Floral is actually very floral. This is Urban Digital. Urban Digital is just like what it is very digital. Then this is Construct. construct, my buddies know that I should use this. Then this is ivory and this is splattered. I have always wanted to buy splattered, but I don't have enough credits for that. Okay, so yep, this is ivory and it is the most luxurious MR96 skin. Moving on to the next gun, Deagle. Deagle or Desert Eagle. Yep, so this is the Desert Eagle's default skin. Then that is white. I don't know why I clicked it. It is not mine. Then moving on to the next one, Taiga. This is another one of those skins where it is green and it's camo. So yep, it's very normal. So this is Backwater Gospel. I got this from the Critical Spin. So yep, that was that. And hold on a minute, I want to do something. Great. Now, box cutter. I have this skin in an SMG, so I want to buy it right now. And then this is Susie. Susie is a skin that I got from the Critical Pass. Then Hot Rod. I bought this flaming hot skin from the store, and this is even better than the Slipstream. Slipstream looks very futuristic. Then we move on to Dual MTX. This is a default skin. It looks very, very boring. Then this is Carmine and Sky. They are very common skins. So yep. Why have I clicked on Danger Zone? Moving on to the next one. Hound. Hound is very bright orange black. Yep, it is bright orange, black, pink, because it is that exactly. Then this is Highland. It is one of the special skins for me because it is one of the first 5 skins that I own right now. So this is the Purgatory. So yeah, I got this from a premium case for 700 credits. Okay, I want to show you my new knife, Karambit. I got this from a premium case. I just told you the cost, and you hold it like from here like this, and then it curves and arcs out like this. So that was that. And the most special knife that I own is the Bali Song. Bali Song or Butterfly, whatever call it, it is available in the Spin right now. And yep, it is very fast and it makes some weird noise when you like inspect it. That's what you call it, inspect it. And and I also want to show you the HK417 reload that I have. The name is USB reload. So let me quickly go to that. Yep, this is the HK417 USB reload. He jerks it out and then takes the magazine and tries to put it in. Then he cannot put it in because it's the wrong side, flips it and puts it in. So yep, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like it. If you didn't, dislike. Hit the subscribe button for me, will you? And hit that bell notification too. Just forget that clock. So yeah, and comment down below in the comment section which is the best skin and which one did you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay home, stay safe. Peace out. Boom.